The Rock Whisperer. Do you hear the earth talking to you?
For this one, we're using page 14 in the reference table, and we're going to be talking about the layers of the atmosphere. So that has a chart that doesn't quite look like this. It's actually, these three pieces actually all go together and make one longer chart. So we're going to take that chart and move the atmospheric pressure and the water content closer to the actual altitude scale. So the first thing we need to do is cut out the big box. On this one here for atmospheric pressure, cut the biggest box. This is going to wind up being the tab, and down here on water vapor, this part will wind up being the tab. All right, now that we have our three pieces of paper that we need, let's do our fold so we have our tab. So the first one, let's take this one that has the pressure, put our ruler right here, right? Fold over, make a nice crease. That will be our tab where we're going to put our glue down, and then that will go right on here eventually, and we can see that that's going to line up with the dotted lines right there, and then flip open. On this one, right under the grams per cubic centimeter, put your ruler, fold up, and make a little tab on that one too. So that one is going to wind up going on the bottom to match up like this. So the first one we need to put down is our selected properties. Again, make sure you're using little dots of glue. Don't use too much glue. Come down about 3 or 4. And put that down. I would actually try to put it closer to the red line over here to make sure you have enough room with this tab. I think I'm going to be fine. Take this tab, goes right here on the edge. Make sure that your dotted lines are matching up when you go to put your tab down. That one is there, and that will open up like that. And then we're going to put a dot of glue on this one. And make sure that these dotted lines also match up. And so you can see the numbers, and then put that down. So when we go to use this chart, we can see the different layers of the atmosphere with the temperature. If we want to know what the pressure is, this gets us a little bit closer, and we can see that this goes just with the pressure also. We can also just look at water vapor. So we'll leave it like this for us when we go to close your notebook.
Don't forget to listen to the earth. You just may hear it speak.